Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Really quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So if you are looking for a video where the person's doing a trade recap or talking to you with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you, and I'm confident you'll get good value in it. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, right now watching Tesla at 294 for a potential short. Do have that alert made in the chat room, so if you're wondering how does the community work, you can see it right there, 294. That doesn't mean that everybody's going to blindly follow. It's not a bunch of sheep, but just throwing that out there. And if people want to agree, great. If people want to disagree, that's fine too. If it fits their strategy, if it doesn't, well, then they'll just go find something else. Snow's also got, 182. Let me get that alerted. Snow 182. Flush point 1 minute. In fact, I like that one quite a bit. So let's see if 182 wants to come into play. Ooh, Tesla's looking good though still too. Yeah, 295 at this point. Choices, choices, choices. Coin also looks interesting. But as of now, Tesla is seemingly not wanting to come down. Let me hop back over to Snow. 182. I mean, there it is. Let's get in here. Let's see if this thing wants to break down. Let's see, 181. Or did I just get suckered in? We'll see. Yeah, coin's still holding up. Let's see what it wants to do. Now it's somewhat of a question of if it comes back down, do I want to potentially add? And maybe so, because that would look quite attractive. But as of right now, not looking so good. Okay, I will go ahead and pause the software for now. And if it looks like I'm either going to potentially add, or if it starts going in my favor, or hopefully not, but if it looks like I'm going to need to stop out. There goes Tesla. Come on down. Come on, Snow. Follow your friends. Yeah, this is getting... Hey, even coin came down a bit. Excellent. So I chose the one that's not going to, at least now, follow its friends. And you can see here Tesla starting to come down. Coin starting to come down. Snow. Nope. So this is not a good sign, but we'll see if its buddies can eventually start to drag it back down. So it's starting to, but okay, approaching 182. But this was definitely the problem point in the past. Can it finally get the breakdown through? Somewhat. See if we can get it down to 181. Nope, got to take off. Yeah, so I'll take 50 shares. But at this point, again, I'm looking at its friends, and its friends. All right, there we go. Okay, well, that's why it's smart to hang on to at least some shares. Because I got that one wrong in the sense of thinking that it was maybe petering out. But I did get it right in the sense of, well, hang on to a few more shares. So let's see if we can get this thing down to 180. And I'll take off another allotment of my shares. But yeah, overall, thought this one was not necessarily going to follow along. And it did. But like I said, to not beat myself up too bad, there we go. Oh, come on. Give me the 180s. Well, it went down below 180, and I thought that was going to be an easy fill, especially when it's only for 25 shares. All right, so 25 share. In fact, I need to not even goof around with it anymore. All right, so a disappointing $114, although Tesla, 293.50, I like. So let's see if Tesla wants to come down again. 293.50. In there, 293.55. Let's see if this thing wants to start to pick up some downside pressure. Though, wow, these level 2s are so thick on Tesla. Look at that. I'm not sure how I feel about that. And this looks like almost a penny stock with those level 2s. Ever since the split, but I don't remember it being, I mean, those level 2s are brutal. Look at that. All right, out there for a loss. Now I'm down 150 on the day. And now it shoots upwards. Well, that is the market we have been in. Unbelievable. Great setup, and I should have trusted my instincts sooner. I mean, you heard me talking about those level 2s and what was going on, and that was goofy. Yep, so I did not listen to my instincts, even though my instincts were clearly coming out of my mouth as you heard me sit there and talk about it. But 75.25. I do like this setup. Let's see, no, there we go. In at 75.25. Let's see this thing come back down below these lows. Again, I am in at 75.25 short. Let's see what it wants to do. This is kind of brutal. All right, out there, $300 loss. Well, it started off actually not that great because I didn't have a good read on coin either. Or what was that first one? Snow. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short here at 75.50 on coin. Try this one once again. Maybe this is finally the move that I was originally looking for. 75 is going to be that key break point. And then it just pauses. Okay, I'm going to hop out there. And then it goes. Kind of. Try to learn my lesson on the level 2 gut instincts and was getting that again. And I hopped out. And then it acted like it was going to go, but it still hasn't quite. So, Snow. 183.25. Snow's been really the only one that's treated me the right way. I just didn't totally give it enough time. Although, granted, that I did hang on to shares for that one, so it wasn't like it was a complete miss. But yeah, I'm watching coin off screen, and as of right now, I did play that one right. Because it is bouncing back up. $294.50, yeah, but almost like Snow better. $183.25. But no, not starting to go. Okay, I will pause. Quick update on coin. Played that one just fine. So my instincts there, once again on level 2s. Saved me on a losing trade there. So just wanted to give a quick update on that one. And then Snow is now heading back up. So that one seemingly is being taken off the table for now. So, okay, we'll see what happens. I'll pause. Okay, watching 296.50 here on Tesla. Coin, though. Coin looks interesting also. Well, as it turns around all of a sudden. And then let's go check on Snow. I could do a quick little breakdown or get out here. 185.50. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Watching 76.50 here. In at 76.51 on coin. Let's see if we can get some movement. Down. First key level is going to be through 76. But the level 2s once again stalling out. See if it wants to come down through there. All right, I will go ahead and pause for now. All right, came back down, but once again sitting at this stubborn 76.25-ish area. Trying to be patient, give it a chance to break. Gotta think if 76.25 goes, it should get moving. Okay, there's it broken. Oh, really? Come on. So I took off a small position size just to mitigate risk. Could still be a losing trade. Still have 200 shares left. Oh, all right, 50 shares left. Did not mean it. I needed to change that. I should have 100 shares left right now, but I'll go with 50. And yeah, maybe you can hear the disappointment in my voice, but the markets have moved, right? Came down. We're pushing lows on the SPY, and then here coin is just putzing around. I just am not picking the right ones. Now, it still may go because eventually the SPY will drag it down, but it just is fighting the SPY so much. So like I said, should have 100 shares, but I have 50. So I'll have to make do with 50. I'll look for 75.25 for my next allotment out. But I'll go ahead and pause for now. But yes, very, very disappointed. Again, just to show you what I mean, thing is barely moving. And look at the overall markets. Have completely rolled over, broken through those lows, are picking up momentum. And coin, I mean, it's going down, sure, but not really. And now, look, I'm getting a little bit of a green candle there. So that's just, yeah, you know, it happens to everybody. And it's so disappointing. I'm not going to try to play it off. It is disappointing when you're looking around, you're like, all right, good. I got market direction right. The market does want to come down. It is coming down. And, oh, the stock I look to play is not really participating. I mean, it is participating, but not anywhere close to, you know, the level that you thought it would. Well, yeah. And again, SPY still pushing lows. Bring that over. Pushing lows. You can see new lows in place right now. And then coin is just basically sitting there. All right, I'll go ahead and I don't mean to sit here and sound like a whiny baby. I'm just letting you know as because this is real. This is happening right now. This is genuine, and it is disappointing. And you're okay. You're a human being to be disappointed when you get market direction right, and then the stock all right, now this thing is. Look at this thing. That summarized my day right here and out. Well. So down on the bright side, I mean, not that I was ever down a massive amount, but down 316 with commissions. I don't know, let's call it 330-ish on the day. So just disappointing, not because it's red, but more so just I just couldn't get, pick the right stocks really. And that was a good, I mean, in a sick and twisted way, that was a good example because, I mean, you saw the markets falling apart and then coin taking its good old little time, not actually moving that much, coming down. And, yeah. What's going on here with AKRO? I was watching this one pre-market. And I am aware I sound whiny in this video, but that's how I feel right now. I feel whiny. I feel like whining at myself. Wow, yeah, nice move here. Up over those highs, 29. Yeah, is this thing potentially maybe going to a halt if it can break up through 30? But yeah, that's pretty much you do super well on this one, or you get your face ripped off on it. And I just can't risk. I have clearly zero cushion. I don't have any cushion at all. So I just can't be risking getting even if I don't get my face ripped off, taking a couple gut punches. I just can't risk that at this point. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. 45 minutes in, down three, like I said, with commissions, 325, 330-ish, give or take, right around there. And I'll just call it live to fight another day. Sometimes these days happen. And considering how badly I traded, and yeah, part of trading badly is no excuses. I picked the wrong stocks relative to the market. Other stocks went beautifully and would have been a much different day. But yeah, it was just a bad choice on mine. Sometimes that's just how it goes, and it's disappointing when it happens, but it is what it is. So all things considered, I'll take it. I'm not going to quite call it a moral victory because that'd be a little bit too much rationalization on things, but I am happy with it just because today was just not a solid day, and to quote unquote only be down what I am, I can quickly get that back in a single trade. And for those of you longer time viewers, you've seen me make well over $300 in sometimes a matter of seconds. So it's not like the account is blown. It's not like I have to go refund the account or anything like that. If anything, it's more of just a frustrating and disappointing day. And like I said, I captured it exactly like why, so from a learning lesson, it was good. I'm glad that I captured that movement where the SPY was collapsing. And then coin was just slowly taking its time going down while the market's collapsing. And I should note, just so you can see what did happen with coin. I mean, look at that total turnaround. So that was where things were. It was coming down, slowly coming down, and then just boom, first sign. And really the markets the markets did, chopping around here a little bit, but so in other words, coin just seems to not really care much about what the market's doing, and coin just apparently wants to be strong on the day. And I'm just going to wrap it up because at this point, things are down so much, so it's really a question of, does the market really want to go down that much more? And maybe it does. It just feels a little too much uncertain right now. And I'm not here to trade in where I feel uncertain, but I'll go ahead and wrap things up. So if you appreciate transparency, appreciate me sharing the losses too, right? It's always easy, clearly, to post gains and wins and all that sort of stuff. But if you appreciate just showing losses, hit that like button, leave a comment below. So everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.